You dirty-minded people. Well, since you thought I was fucking jerking in a YouTube video, who do you think I am? We're gonna react to a video that you have to guess if the sound is an orgasm or not. Now, this video seems like a stupid-ass idea, but at the same time, it's an exciting one. So, let's go.
Would you call yourselves noisy lovemakers?
No.
No. I'm like that when I'm having sex with my ankle.
Helen, can you describe to me the sound of Uche's orgasm?
You like it, baby?
Oh God,
I'm
I can't
so
do this.
sorry.
It's loud.
That's hot. Like shaky? Like it like goes in like waves, like rolling.
What do you mean, shaky? You have to do the freaking sound, buddy.
Well, today you have to guess whether the sounds you hear are orgasms or non-sexual noises.
Okay.
You'll
I got it. Ready?
receive
All
a
right,
Lilo
let's go.
sex toy for every question you answer
A
correctly.
Lilo sex
What?
toy. I want a sex
a lot
toy.
of sex toys.
I've used before.
Teacher?
You guys ready to start with sound number one?
Yeah.
So
All right, here it comes.
this is me when I'm. Is this guy having a? He's shitting himself right now.
All right,
Let
here it
me
comes.
hear it again. Where have I? Let me. Okay, could be Jim. Yeah, could be actual Jim. Yes.
Oh,
Let's go. I got it.
Him so much.
Yeah.
That I really think that's just like some idiot straight man trying to deadlift more than he
Whoa,
should.
whoa. Relax.
Not sex.
That was kind of easy.
Oh
That
my
was
God,
kind of
nice.
easy. That was kind of
We're
easy.
so symbiotic. Great.
But he sounded like he was. What is this? At the start, it sounded like that, but now I don't know with the.
It's like
Oh, the. Could be actually orgasm.
coming in rolls, you know? So it's like a build-up.
Do you guys ever cry during sex?
I've cried during sex.
Oh, Sudge. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sorry,
Sex.
buddy.
That's
Yes!
like triple penetration.
I don't think it's an orgasm.
2 for 2, baby.
Pad thai.
That is not pad thai.
Yeah.
Have either of you ever faked an orgasm before?
Nah. How is it possible for a man to fake an orgasm? Wait, I don't think you can. But
Somebody
Yeah.
who's lied about having an orgasm before?
Yeah. So I'd rather just never make them come ever than have a person that's lying to me about it.
You guys ready to move on to the next sound?
who?
I
That's
think that
not
could
an
be.
Oh, what?
I thought it was.
What the fuck is who? I'm not looking at the screen because I'm gonna see the answer. Who? Okay, of course it's not an orgasm. What could it be? I have no clue. Jumping over a rope skip? I don't know.
That's like a sort of tennis noise.
Oh, tennis. Could be actual tennis. It was tennis.
Why are we transcendental?
I got it right, but I didn't
Shouldn't
find
have had a psychic do this show.
fucking. I'm 3 for 3. Whoa.
Shouldn't have had a psychic do this show.
Wow.
Okay, that sounds like an orgasm.
I think
That
that's like a really good,
sounds like an
a good
orgasm.
one after Thanksgiving
That
when
sounds
you're like kind of
really-
clogged.
Okay, we're gonna go with orgasm.
Yeah, I'm gonna go with an orgasm. Bloated woman. Who the fuck is bloated and goes like? Got him.
That one really threw me.
Stupid.
I'm like gonna think about
What the
that every
fuck?
time I eat too much now.
I lost my streak for no reason.
You have.
Must be sex.
I'd say it's an orgasm.
Sounds like an orgasm.
That's a
Could be could be having a really big dumb, but I think it's an
100% orgasm.
yes. Let's go. We got it.
Sex.
Sex.
Ooh, okay, that's an orgasm. That's an orgasm for sure.
It's 100% an
Orgasm.
Yeah.
Dude, if the bloated woman could fuck off, I would be like 6 for 6 right now.
It's a prostate tickler.
Let me tickle your prostate real quick. Come on. Okay. Okay, this is having a shit.
That might be the hardest one so far.
I would say no.
I would say no. Sounds like he's in pain. I don't know.
It's an
What could it be? Getting punched? I don't know. I don't think it's an orgasm. Yes. Again, standing up from a chair. Video. I got it
make
right.
these harder.
I didn't know I was working with a couple of sexperts.
Don't you think that like most lesbians are
Thank you.
sexperts? Don't you think the best sex is lesbian sex?
Look needs to know.
If you have any questions, then just go have it yourself.
Okay, I'm gonna go and have lesbian sex real quick.
2019, everyone should be a lesbian now.
Very staccato.
This is this is not a.
I think
this
it was
is
too. You're not sure.
This one's
No.
just. I will look sex.
No, it's not. What? No.
Oh, it's not
Yes.
sex.
You got us.
Okay, you got us. I just feel like there's other. Maybe
I'm
she
better
was
than you.
masturbating while-
Are
Better.
you ready for the final sound?
Final sound,
Yes.
right? I will look in the eye. What the fuck was that sound?
That's sex.
This is actually me shitting. I don't know. I would say
Go
no.
with an orgasm.
Nah.
so dramatic.
Like
I
that's
have
not
no
sex.
clue. I would say
But they're
no.
definitely
What do you
worried
say?
about this.
Talk
Let's
to me.
go with orgasm.
No.
Yeah.
What is it? What?
Oh.
Ring.
Let me hear it again.
Hear it again?
Not really.
What is this? Who's having an orgasm and goes like? I'm stupid. Mo is getting pissed with his videos. At least it was funny, all right? At least it was funny. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a subscribe. I would appreciate the support. And I'll see you in the next one, all right? I'm gonna go actually jerk this time around, all right?